Best apps to learn guitar fast and free in 2025. You've got the guitar. It's collecting dust in your room. You strum a few chords, but you can't play a full song. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Learning guitar used to take months of lessons, expensive tutors, and a lot of frustration. But in 2025, free apps are changing everything. So let's break down the best free apps to learn guitar fast this year, whether you're a total beginner or trying to level up on your own. Let's dive into the top 5. Number 5. Simply Guitar by JoyTunes. This app feels like having a friendly teacher right in your pocket. What makes it different? It listens to your playing in real time. So if you hit the wrong note or nail, it responds instantly. In 2025, Simply Guitar includes structured daily lessons, song-based practice, and tutorials that go from beginner to intermediate fast. It's perfect if you're just starting out and want to play your first song in under 7 days. Number 4. Fender Play Free Plan. Yes, it's made by the Fender. In 2025, the limited free plan gives you access to a curated path of short, easy-to-follow lessons. Think quick progress and no fluff. You'll learn core chords, rhythm techniques, and full songs broken into bite-sized chunks. And because it's Fender, the app's interface and quality are top-notch. If you're serious about sound and brand trust, even on a budget, Fender Play is a no-brainer. Number 3. Justin Guitar. Run by real-life teacher Justin Sanderco, this app is completely free and surprisingly personal. It's like having a kind, supportive coach walk you through the learning curve. There are full video lessons, play-along tools, and structured courses designed specifically for beginners. Best part, no ads, no sales pressure, just pure learning. Justin Guitar is perfect if you want a chill, human approach with a proven method that's helped millions pick up the guitar from scratch. Number 2. Yousician Free Tier. If you like gaming and want fast results, Yousician is the app for you. Using gamified lessons and real-time feedback, Yousician helps you learn chords, scales, strumming patterns, and even music theory in a way that feels fun. You get a limited number of minutes per day on the free version, but that's actually a great motivator to stay consistent. Just 10 minutes daily, and you'll feel a difference in your playing in just 1 week. Number 1. Ultimate Guitar Tabs plus chords. Let's be real, most people just want to learn their favorite songs. And Ultimate Guitar is hands down the best free app for that in 2025. You get access to thousands of user-rated tabs, chords, and sheet music for every genre. And their interactive Tab Pro player, limited in free version but still usable, lets you slow down, loop sections, and practice solo lines at your own pace. It's the ultimate tool for learning by doing. Play songs you love and you'll learn faster, no question. So, here's the final list. Number 5. Simply Guitar, best for real-time learning. Number 4. Fender Play, free, fast lessons from the pros. Number 3. Justin Guitar, human, honest, zero ads. Number 2. Yousician, gamified, addictive, effective. Number 1. Ultimate Guitar, play real songs right now. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Set your goal, 1 riff, 1 chord, or 1 song a week, and let these free apps guide you. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped or gave you that final push to pick up your guitar, leave a like so we keep making more tools-based videos like this. Rock on!